guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you new here, my name is BIRANG. Welcome to my channel. So today is going to be a Navratri makeup tutorial. I will be creating 4 to 5 different Navratri looks. So today's look is going to be a day 1 Navratri look. This is a very beautiful easy peasy look which you can create in just like 10 minutes, and the eye makeup is very pretty simple and it looks elegant and beautiful at the same time. So without wasting your time, let's get started and let me show you guys how to create this makeup. Skincare is already done. I'm going to be directly dive into the foundation. So I'm using a photo focus foundation from Wet n Wild Beauty, evenly applying it on entire my face. I will be covering my face, my neck area, and you do not need too much of product. I have just taken a 1 scoop and then I'm applying it on entire my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, I will be blending out this foundation evenly on entire my face and also my neck area. Make sure you're using a damp beauty blender, not the dry one. Now let's move on to the concealer. Now for the concealer, today I am using Fallible concealer from L'Oreal Paris, applying it under my eyes to highlight the under eyes. Also going to be applying it on my nose line, little bit on my forehead, and then on my lip area just to highlight those areas. Now again, using a damp beauty blender, I will be blending out the concealer evenly and making sure it just blends out very smoothly and there are no cracks or no harsh lines. Let's move on to the powder. So for loose powder, today I am using a Airspun loose powder from Coty. This is my absolute favorite loose powder. I will be applying it under my eyes to bake my eyes so that the area gets highlighted and there are no cracks and no harsh lines. Now let's move on to the contour. I'm again using an Infallible contour stick and applying it all over my face, on my jawline, on the high points of my cheeks, and then using a contour brush I will be blending out this evenly so that it just uplifts the features of my face. Now let's move on to the blush. I'm using an Orgasm blush from NARS and I just love this blush. This is super pigmented, applying it on the apple of my cheeks, and using an e.l.f. highlighter, which is a very subtle and very pretty highlighter. I'm going to be applying it on the high points of my cheeks, little bit on my nose line and on the nose tip, also a little bit on my forehead and then on my chin. Now let's move on to our eyebrows. So for eyebrows, today I'm using an NYX pencil eyebrow pencil, and first of all I will be brushing my eyebrow hair upwards and then I'm going to be start filling my eyebrow. Now to clean the edges and give a more sharp shape to my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking a little concealer on the pointed brush, and then I'm going to be using that brush to clean the edges and to make my eyebrows look more sharp and edgy. Now let's move on to our eye makeup. For eye makeup, today I'm using an NYX Cosmetics Kajal pencil in the shade Deep Black. I am going to be drawing a very rough line, very close to a lash line. You don't have to create a very fine line, just create it as messy as want, but make sure you're not drawing a thick line, just draw a thin line on both sides of your eyes, and using a pencil brush I will be blending it out to give a little smoky effect. Now we are not doing a very bold smoky eye, we will be keeping it really soft and subtle, so that's why I asked you guys to draw a very thin line, not the thick one. Let's move on to the next part. So I'm going to be using a James Charles Morphe X Brushes eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be taking this peachy shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be using this color to smoothen out the edges. Now for the waterline, I'm going to be putting a black kajal on my waterline, and this can be thick, this can be thin, but I have put a thick kajal on my waterline, and then again using a pencil brush I will be smoking it out to give a little smokiness effect on my lower lashes as well. Let's move on to curling our eyelashes. So for curling my eyelashes, I'm using this Real Technique eyelash curler, and then for the mascara today I'm using a Lily Lashes mascara, evenly applying it on both of my eyelashes. Now for fake eyelashes, I've used a Lover eyelashes from ColourPop Cosmetics. Now this completes our eye makeup. Let's move on to the lipstick. I've used a Superstay Ink lipstick, which is a beautiful color, and I'm going to be applying it evenly on my lip area. Now to give a little Navratri effect, I'm going to be adding 3 dots near my eyeliner. This completes our makeup. I just added a very big jhumkas and then paired them with a black outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. This look was super easy, super quick, and in case you guys recreate these looks, please make sure you tag me on your Instagram so I can have a look. Alright guys, I'm gonna be catching you guys super soon with a brand new video, but till then take care, stay safe. But please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and also follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.